Good morning, students. Welcome to online platform of Shri Academy. Today we are going to start a new chapter named Harold R. Hornbill. There are few word meaning given before the chapter, so let's go through it. Hollow, empty space, khokhla, cramped, uncomfortably small, tongue, trembled, having fallen, girna, awakened to wake up, jagna, predator, an animal that naturally preys on other, hinsak, जानवर. So, Harold is a name driven for a bird, self-driven word for a bird. Hornbill is a kind of bird. The picture you can see over the top of your book page. This kind of bird, its name is hornbill. It is a very renowned species among the birds. So this story is written by Ruskin Bond. We know about Ruskin Bond that he was an Indian writer of British descent. That means he was Britishers and Indian family adopted him. Bond is possibly India's best known and most widely read author. He started writing at an early age, and since then he has consistently written stories that reflect life in hill station of Himalayas. Bond was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014 in recognition of his contribution to children's literature. So now let's start with the preface of the story. This is a fascinating story about Harold, a pet hornbill which the narrator had when he was little boy. Read about the Harold find a new home when he falls out of his nest. So in the preface we come to know that somehow the bird hornbill falls out of his nest and finds a new house for herself. And now let's continue with the story. Harold's mother, like all good hornbills, was the most careful of wives. His father was the most easygoing of husbands. So Harold was the mother. The mother was very much caring wife. His father was most easygoing husband. As we know, we have parents in our house and we have seen that mothers are very careful wives and fathers are very easygoing. So they were also very noble couple, and Hornbill mother was very kind, very careful woman, and a father was a easygoing bird actually. In January long before the flame tree flowered, Harold's father took his wife into a great hole high in the tree trunk. When the January came, a flame tree started flowering, and Harold's father took his wife to great hole which was made in the trunk of the tree. Why did he took his wife to the hole? To keep her in a safe space. In this weather-beaten hollow, Harold's mother was enclosed within the hole by sturdy wall of earth, stick and dung. Harold's father left a small hole in the center of this wall to enable him to communicate with his wife whenever he felt like a chat. So now when Harold father took Harold mother to the hole made on tree trunk, it was weather beaten hollow. That means the hollow is the empty space. This hole was made due to the toughness and roughness of the weather, and Harold's father enclosed Harold's mother into the hole, and he made a wall of mud across the hole and left only a small hole in the center of the wall so that both of them can communicate and have a chat with each other. Walled up in her uncomfortable room, Harold's mother was prisoner for over 2 months. During this period, an egg was laid and Harold was born. So, why did his father kept Harold's mother into the hall? Because she was to born, she was to lay eggs. So he kept Harold's mother into the hole, and for 2 months she was prisoner over there. Prisoner means she was kept over there, and Harold was born, and in those 2 months Harold was born. यहाँ पे हम कहानी में क्या पढ़ते हैं कि हैरोल्ड की मदर जो है वो हॉर्नबिल, जो गुड हॉर्नबिल्स के तरह हैं और वो बहुत ही केयरफुल वाइफ हैं, और जो हॉर्नबिल फादर यानी कि हैरोल्ड के फादर हैं वो बहुत ही इजी गोइंग हस्बैंड हैं. इन जनवरी में हैरोल्ड के फादर क्या करते हैं, हैरोल्ड की मदर को पेड़ की एकदम ऊंचाई वाले ट्रंक पे लेकर के जाते हैं, जहाँ पे कि एक होल है ट्रंक में, और उसमें हैरोल्ड की मदर को ले जा कर के वो रखते हैं, और मड्स, स्टिक्स और डंक्स की हेल्प से वहाँ पे एक स्टडी वॉल बनाते हैं, और उस वॉल में एक छोटा सा होल छोड़ देते हैं, जिससे कि वो दोनों आपस में कम्युनिकेट कर सके. जब भी वो ऐसा फील करें कि उन्हें बात करनी है, वो वहाँ पे कम्युनिकेट कर सकें. वो रूम जो था वो हैरोल्ड मदर के लिए बहुत ही अनकंफर्टेबल रूम था. शी वॉज फीलिंग लाइक अ प्रिजनर एंड शी लिव्ड देयर फॉर 2 months. वो 2 months के लिए वहाँ पे रही, और वो वहाँ क्यों रही, क्योंकि शी वॉज टू ले एग्स, और वहाँ पे उन 2 महीनों में उसने एग्स ले किए और हैरोल्ड का जन्म हुआ. In his naked boyhood, Harold was no beauty. His most promising feature was his flaming red bill, matching the blossoms of the flame tree, which was now ablaze, heralding the summer. He had a stomach that could never be filled, despite the best effort of his parents, who bought him pieces of jackfruit and berries from the banyan tree. Now what happens, when the Harold was born, at that time he was not at all beautiful. He looked ugly, as you may have seen the kids of birds. They do not have feathers on their body when they are born. At the time they are naked, they have only skin, so they look very ugly at that time. And the only beauty that in Harold was the रेड बिल मतलब उसकी जो चोंच थी रेड कलर की, सिर्फ वही एक प्रॉमिसिंग फीचर था. प्रॉमिसिंग फीचर इन सेंस अट्रैक्टिव फीचर था हेरोल्ड का, जो कि मैच होता था किससे, जो फ्लावर्स थे फ्लेम ट्री के, उससे वो मैच होते थे. ही है, और उसका स्टमक था जो कि कभी भी भरता नहीं था, जबकि उसके पेरेंट्स जो है बहुत एफर्ट करते थे उसके लिए. जैक फ्रूट के पीसेस लाते थे, बेरीज लाते थे बनियान ट्री से, तो उसके खाने के लिए वो बहुत कुछ लाते थे, बट वो फिर भी उसका पेट नहीं भर पाते थे. एज ही ग्रू बिगर, द रूम बिकम मोर cramped, and one day his mother burst through the wall, spread out her wings, and sailed over the tree tops. Her husband was glad to see her about. He played with her, expressing his delight with deep gurgles and throaty chuckles. Then they repaired the wall of the nursery so that Harold would not fall out. Now, when the 2 months passed, Harold also started growing, and now her mother started feeling uncomfortable in the room, as the space was very less in the room. So she break the wall made up of mud, and she spread her wings and started flying. Her husband was also very much happy to see her, and both of them started expressing their delights by making gurgles. Throaty chuckles means to make sound out of their throaty chuckles means to make noise out of throat. So they started making sound of their happiness. Then they repaired the wall of the nursery, and then they repaired the wall that Harold mother broken. So they repaired the wall so that the Harold would not fall out of the. तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है कि जब हेरोल्ड जो है वो बड़ा होने लगता है तो रूम जो है मोर क्रैम्प्ड हो जाता है, मतलब और भी छोटा फील होने लगता है उसमें। हेरोल्ड मदर को और हेरोल्ड को रहने में दिक्कत होती है। एंड एक दिन उसकी मदर क्या करती हैं, वॉल को बस्ट करके बाहर आ जाती हैं और अपने विंग्स को स्प्रेड करके सेल करने लगती, उड़ने लगती हैं ट्री टॉप्स पे। और उसके हस्बैंड उसको देख करके बहुत ही खुश होते हैं और दोनों साथ में खेलते हैं, अपनी हैप्पीनेस को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं। वो गगल्स और थ्रोटी चकल्स इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ साउंड दैट इज़ क्रिएटेड बाय बर्ड्स व्हेन दे आर वेरी हैप्पी। तो जब वो बहुत खुश थे तो वो गगल्स और थ्रोटी चकल्स साउंड निकाल रहे थे। देन दे रिपेयर्ड द वॉल ऑफ, और ये सब करने के बाद उन्होंने क्या किया, बहुत ही सेंसिबल और केयरिंग पेरेंट होने के वजह से उन्होंने क्या किया कि तुरंत ही फिर उस वॉल को रिपेयर किया, ताकि जो हेरोल्ड है उसमें सेफली रह सके और उसे किसी तरह का कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो उसमें रहने में और वो गिर ना जाए वहाँ से नीचे, इसलिए उन्होंने वॉल को वापस से रिपेयर कर दिया। हेरोल्ड वॉज क्वाइट हैप्पी इन हिज सेल। सेल वर्ड इज़ यूज्ड फॉर द जेल, but here cell is the place where people also live. So Harold was quite happy in his cell and felt no urge for freedom. Then something happened to change the course of his life. क्या होता है, हेरोल्ड जो है उस सेल में बहुत ही हैप्पी था, उसे बाहर आने की कोई भी इच्छा नहीं थी, उसे कोई फ्रीडम नहीं चाहिए था, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ ऐसा होता है जिससे कि उसकी लाइफ ऑल ऑफ सडन जो है चेंज हो जाती है। So we will continue the remaining part of the story in the next video. Thank you.